Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm going to share a restaurant style keema fry recipe. Usually you'll get this across South Mumbai restaurants. It's very easy to make and super delicious. This is best served with pav. Basically this is a breakfast item but it's served the entire day, and this is one of my favorite recipe which I would really love to share with you. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make delicious Mumbai restaurant style keema fry. 500 grams of minced meat, 3 medium sized onions finely chopped, 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped, 2.5 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, quarter cup of thick yogurt, few green chilies slit, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of meat masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, quarter cup of cooking oil. In whole spices, we'll be needing 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 stick of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, few cloves, few black peppercorns and 2 bay leaves, and salt as required, and some fresh coriander for garnishing. Heat up a pressure cooker, add oil. Once the oil is heated nicely, add in all the whole spices, bay leaves, all the other spices. Fry them for few seconds. Alright, now add in all the onions. Fry the onions till they get nice and light golden color. Our onion is done. As you can see, it's turned golden brown. At this point, we'll add in our ginger and garlic paste. Fry it. Now we'll add in the tomatoes. Mix it up. So into this we'll add all the spices: turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. Give it a mix. So into this I'm going to add a little bit of water. So this is done. All our spices have been fried very nicely. Now we'll go ahead and add the yogurt. Beat the yogurt and use fresh yogurt, not the sour one. Give the mix. So into this we'll add our meat. And fry this for 5 minutes at least on high flame. So we'll also add here 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it nicely. High heat. So I've been sauteing this for 5 minutes on high heat. Alright, so into this now we'll add some water. So I'm adding around 1 cup of water, which is 200 ml, 200 to 250 ml. And now we'll pressure cook this till it's done. If you're cooking it without pressure cooker, you can cook till the mince is done. So I've taken 2 whistles and I'm going to remove the lid. It is all out. So our keema will look something like this. So I have a pan out here and I've put the flame on high, and now we'll add in keema into the, and basically we'll fry this. I'm going to remove the bay leaf. It's done its job. It's very irritating, sometimes the bay leaves. Into this we'll add the remaining ingredients. This is the meat masala, the green chilies and kasuri methi. If you want, you can use finely chopped green chilies also. I like it this way, so I'm adding this way. It's up to you. You can add as you like. So basically we just have to fry this on high heat for around 5 to 6 minutes more. So I've been frying this for last 5 to 6 minutes. At this stage you can also add oil if you want, but I'm not adding too much oil. And our keema fry is all done. We'll add in the coriander leaves. Just mix it up and it's done. So our keema fry is all done, and I'm serving this with some pav and lemon and some sliced onions on the side. If you want, you can add more oil to the keema. Usually it's served very oily, but I made my version. But if you like that way, you can go ahead and make that way. So I hope you like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.